Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make an origami paper plane. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it into two equal halves and press well. Now fold the two triangles from the top of your paper sheet. Press it well. Again fold it towards the crease formed in the center of your paper sheet. Alright, mark the creases from both the sides. Now fold it from the top to the bottom. Now again fold it towards the top. Press it well. Now fold it as shown in the video like this and press it well. Then from the other side repeat this step. Now fold it from the bottom. Again folding it and press well. Now fold it into two halves. Turn it and fold the lower part and press it well. Now fold it according to the crease. Alright, now press it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials like this. You may share this video with your friends, family members and relatives. Adding some details into the wings of the plane. And now from the other side repeat the step and press well. And it's done. See you in the next video.